Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel Cooking to Inspire. Today, I'm going to share with you all an interesting recipe which is full of proteins made by basic moong dal batter. With this batter, I am going to prepare 4 different snacks which you all can have as breakfast or as evening time snack. So let's get started. So beautiful souls, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions or comments, drop it in the comment box. I'll be eagerly waiting for them. Basic moong dal batter. For the moong dal batter, we need soaked moong dal, mint leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, mango powder, cumin powder, black salt, coriander powder, salt, onion and chilies. It's very simple. You just have to blend all these ingredients into a fine paste with the help of a mixing jar. See, it should be of this consistency. You can add little water, that is only 2 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons to get this consistency for grinding. From this high protein batter, we are going to make moong dal idlis, a veg roll, appe and moong dal bhajiyas. We have divided the batter into 2 parts. In this we will be adding ENO and make idlis and appam, and in this we are not adding ENO. We will be making the base for the roll and the bhajiyas. We will add ENO and leave it for 10 minutes to ferment. The batter has doubled. Now I am going to steam idlis. The idlis are ready to steam. The steaming hot idlis are ready to serve. You can serve these idlis as pizza idli also by spreading some tomato ketchup and grated cheese on it and microwave it for 30 seconds. Your pizza idli is ready. For the appam, heat the appam tray, grease it with oil or butter and put the batter. For the bhajiyas, heat some oil in the pan. When it's hot, put the bhajiyas for frying. Hot bhajiyas are ready. For the base of the roll, heat the tawa, grease it with the oil and put the batter. Let it cook till both the sides are golden brown. Our base of the roll is ready. You can have it as a chilla with chutney or spread some filling in it, which I've taught in my previous video, and enjoy it.